Have you ever heard of the Great Ice Wall? In flat Earth theory, it is rooted in the belief that the Earth is not a globe, but a flat plane. According to this theory, the Earth is surrounded by a massive ice wall that holds in the oceans and marks the edge of the world. This wall is often identified with Antarctica, which flat earthers believe is not a continent at the bottom of the globe, but rather a continuous ring of ice encircling the flat Earth. Here's how proponents of the theory sometimes link the idea of the Great Ice Wall with historical events and policies. Operation High Jump, which occurred between 1946 and 1947, was a U.S. Navy mission to Antarctica led by Admiral Richard E. Byrd, involving over 4,000 men, ships, and aircraft. Officially, the operation's purpose was to establish the Antarctic research base Little America 4, train personnel, and test equipment in extreme cold conditions. Also, they were trying to find any German bases that might have been in the area. Some flat Earth theorists suggest that Operation High Jump was not just a military exercise, but an exploration to find the edge of the world, the ice wall. They believe the operation might have discovered the wall and that the findings were classified to keep the true nature of the Earth's shape hidden from the public. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959 and later joined by numerous countries, prohibits military activity, mineral mining, and nuclear testing in Antarctica. It also promotes scientific research and protects the continent's environment. Flat Earthers argue that the Antarctic Treaty serves as a cover-up to prevent the general public from accessing Antarctica, where they believe the ice wall is located. The theory suggests that the treaty's restrictions are in place to keep people from discovering the truth about the Earth's flatness and the wall. Access to Antarctica is indeed limited. Only a small number of scientists and carefully controlled tourism ventures are allowed on the continent, and even those are subject to strict regulations. Flat Earth proponents argue that this restricted access is deliberate and serves to keep the Great Ice Wall hidden from public view. They claim that governments worldwide are in on the conspiracy, working together to prevent any information about the wall from leaking out. Admiral Byrd, during an interview after one of his Antarctic expeditions, made a statement about a vast land beyond the South Pole, as large as the United States, that has never been seen by human beings. Flat Earthers sometimes interpret Byrd's statement as evidence of unknown lands, or possibly the edge of the Earth that lies beyond the ice wall. They believe that his expeditions uncovered more than just uncharted territory, but the limits of the known world. The reality of where we are living, in my opinion, could be a mixture of flat Earth, plus the globe, plus unknowns that we may never know. Truth usually lies in the gray areas of things, which is why it makes it difficult to know for sure what is going on. We could be living on a planet that is globe-like, and maybe way bigger than we are being told. Maybe there is a giant ice wall surrounding the known world, but outside of it could be another world that people have never seen before. Maybe our planet is how they say it is, but maybe there is an ice wall protecting an entrance inside the Earth. Maybe Antarctica used to have a thriving civilization, but then the Earth turned on its axis a few degrees, so it became cold there and everything got buried under the ice. Hopefully someday we have the technology and the capability to all venture out and discover for ourselves what secrets our planet is holding from us. Until then, we will see what information comes out. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more.